Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Tray kebab recipe with onions. How to make rolled lamb meatballs with onions on tray. Cover a baking tray with paper. Cut off the ends of the onions. I calculated 2 onions for 1 person. Don't randomly place the onions on the tray. This is an important issue. Watch how you should arrange them. Place the cut parts of the onions so that they do not touch the bottom of the tray. For 40 people, 80 onions were cut off the ends of the onions and placed neatly on the paper baking tray. It will be necessary to cook the onions in the oven for 1 hour at 180 degrees. If you want to save electricity, you can peel the onions and cook them in a saucepan at very low heat, with the lid closed and stirring occasionally. But for this process, do not cut the onions too deeply while peeling the onions. Boneless lamb meat. Here are the arm and rib parts separated from a lamb and even the chop parts. I don't want it to thaw too much because lightly frozen meat would be better for mincemeat. We can get a flaky mince. Meat being cut into small pieces with rows. Sheep tail fat, not pig tail, sheep tail. Some chicken breast to be used to keep the meatballs from falling apart. A handful of garlic. 50 grams of salt for 5 kilograms of material. Some black pepper. Chili pepper. Stale bread slices. When I place the meat on the tray, I add enough bread to cover the meat. It is enough. It will be finely minced and passed through the machine once. $500 grams of semolina. Drinkable soda. Egg. Hot pepper paste, tomato-free paste.
Bu yıl odaklar mısın bu yıl?
Camera focus problem.
Allah Allah. Odaklamıyor ya. Delireceğim.
You can wear gloves because it's hard to get a little greasy ground meat and animal fat sticking to your hands. A glass of water. The meatball mixture must be thoroughly kneaded. We can add a little more water, because it is semolina, water is added. This is how onions look after they come out of the oven. Yes, friends, I don't know what the price of onions is in foreign countries. Onion prices in Turkey have increased from 5 lira to 15 lira or even 20 lira. I shot this video in 2022 Ramadan. Now it doesn't seem possible to cook such an onion dish. Onions need to be peeled. Onions have a sweet taste after cooking. I love it. After the onions are peeled, the meatballs will be prepared. Slice to make 90 round patties. Here are 32 pieces. 32 times 3 equals 96. So friends who don't like math, even if you are a cook, You should know that you need to know some math. These size meatballs are good, so meatballs are prepared to be the same size as onions. Onions and meatballs are in separate trays and will now place them in the same tray very neatly. Place 1 onion and 1 meatball in the first row. Place 1 meatball and 1 onion in the second row. So an onion will have meatballs on all 4 sides and a meatball will have onions on all 4 sides. That is, what do you call a piece of meatball surrounded by onions on all 4 sides? It's called onion kebab. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip. Support me. After placing it properly, it is necessary to bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Prepare a sauce to add to the tray kebab while it is cooking in the oven. Marrow bone broth. Some sunflower oil. Chopped purple onions and carrots. On fire. Some flour. Black pepper. Oregano. Cumin, salt. Some sugar. We burn a little to make it brown. Boiling water and bone broth. This color is good. Most importantly, pomegranate syrup. Starch mixed with cold water is added to make a thick sauce. Ready to combine with sauce kebab. Ready for service. I'm sorry, I can't do a taste test because I'm fasting here, but I can remember it tasted great 1 year later. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.